Hello everyone, welcome to my class. In this today's episode, we are going to discuss about one of the very important 6 marks question, that is movement along with the demand curve and shift in the demand curve. So in the previous episode, we have discussed about the demand theory. Yes, as you came to know about that, what is demand, what is law of demand, then demand, individual demand curve, schedule and the law of demand. So many concepts you learned. So then now let me discuss about today's concept, movement along with the demand curve. Movements along the demand curve and shift in the demand curve. So first we came to know about that movement along the demand curve. The demand curve is what? Graphical representation of demand function. This, as you know that. So demand curve means what? It is the graphical representation of a demand function. Means quantity demand as well as the price. Yes. So at higher the prices, the demand is what? Low. Less. And with low price, the demand is what? More. This is what? Law of demand. Thus, any change in the price leads to, that is, movement along the demand curve. So then what is the reason for movement along the demand curve? That is any change in the price. Okay, any change in the price of a commodity, then suddenly the demand curve will be moved. So what is the reason for movement along with the demand curve? Okay, that point you remember, that is what? Change in price. Because as you know that the demand theory means what? That is due to changes in its price, the demand will be changed. This is what the main concept of law of demand. Either indirect relationship like either price increase, demand decrease, price decrease, demand increase. So this is what the concept. Yes. So that movement can be takes place when there is a what? There is a sudden change in its price. Okay, price change, then the demand curve will be moved. On the other hand, changes in any of other things, that leads to shift in the demand curve. This 2 point you remember here. So for what reason the demand curve will be shifted? Because the reason is nothing but that is changes in any other things. Means other things means you know that other determinants. Okay, not in price but also price of substitute goods, income of the consumer and taste and preferences of the consumers. If that will be changed, then the demand curve will be shifted. Okay, this point you need to keep it in your mind. So why the demand curve will be moved? The reason is nothing but because of the change in its price. Okay, why the demand curve will be shifted? The reason is nothing but because due to changes in other things. Okay, changes in other things like what? The price of substitute goods, then what? Income of the consumer and also taste and preferences of the consumer. So as a result, the demand curve will be shift. The quantity of goods that the consumer demand is dependent on the price of the goods. This we know that. So the quantity of goods or the demand which is depending upon the prices of a particular goods. So the price of other goods, income of the consumer and his taste and preferences. So this is what the reason for the due to changes in the shift in the demand curve, right? So that changes in demand can be, we can distribute it into two ways. One is movement along the demand curve, another one is a shift in the demand curve. Now first we will discuss this one, movement along the demand curve. This can be explained with the help of diagram. See, as you know that first point you remember, why the movement will take place? Because of the changes in its price. Okay, now let me see here. According to this diagram, you just observe here in this diagram, OX axis, see here, this OX axis, this is what the quantity demand means Q1, Q2 and Q1 and Q2, right? And this OY, this is what? P1, P as well as P2, this is what the price. Okay, and here DD is what? This is demand curve. So that here the demand curve will be moved. Why? Because due to the changes in its price. See, change in price leads to either upward or the downward movement along the same demand curve. Okay, due to a small change in the price of commodity, then the demand curve will be either upward or the downward. So that you need to remember this point. Okay, so the demand curve will be moved, means what, where it is movement can take place, that is either upward or the downward. So what is the reason for the demand curve will be moved upward and downward? Because the reason is nothing but change in a price. Next, the second one, we know that shift in the demand curve. Please remember about the key point. Why the demand curve will be shift? Due to the changes in other things. Yes, so that when the changes in demand of a commodity is not due to changes in the price, but due to other factors like income, taste and preference of the consumer, price of other substitute goods, etc., then it is called as shift in the demand curve. Okay, so shift in the demand curve means what? Not other than the price, means not due to the price but due to other factors. Okay, due to that, if the demand curve will be shifted to leftward to rightward or rightward to leftward, that is called a shift in demand curve. Yes, so dear students, you just see in this diagram here, we can observe that O x-axis again it is quantity, O y-axis it is what, price, but the demand curve here it is 2 is there. This is what original or initial demand curve. DD is what initial demand curve, and here it is D1 and D1. This is what the new demand curve. Okay, this one DD is initial and D1 is what new demand curve. Here this demand curve will be shifted to rightward. Okay, see this is what exact means original demand curve, but this is what additional demand curve. This demand curve will be shifted for where? That is to rightward. As you know that why the demand curve will be shift, because due to the changes in other things. And also one more diagram you can observe here. Again here OX axis, OY axis, quantity demanded and price respectively. And here you just observe this original or the initial demand curve, it will be here, means DD. But one more demand curve is there, D2. This is also new. This is new demand curve. So this is where we can observe left side, right? One D1 that is in the right side, D2 it is in the left side. We can observe, means if the income of the consumer decreases, then the demand for goods also decreases, right? So when the demand will be decreases, that is when the income is zero, or when income is diminishes, then the demand for the goods also automatically decreases at each price, and hence there is a leftward shift in the demand curve. So why the demand curve will be here shifted to left side? Due to the what? That is due to the income of the consumer. Yes, here income is less, so that demand also less, so that the demand curve will be shifted to left side. If the income is more, then demand also more, then the demand curve will be shifted to rightward. So this is only the previous diagram. See, in this diagram we can observe that demand curve will be shifted to arrow mark. See, the shifted to rightward. Why? Because here income is more, so the demand also more. Yes, so that as a result what happened here, the demand curve will be shifted to rightward. I said already here, there is no need to mention price. Okay, other things only, other determinants only. So like that here in this diagram, here demand curve will be shifted to left side. Why? Because left side, because income is diminishes, means income is low, so demand also low. As a result, demand curve will be shifted to, that is, left side. Okay, so this is what the major reason for shifting the demand curve from left to right or right to left. So in this way we can observe the demand curve will be either moved or it is shifted. So why it is movement can possible? Because of the change in its price. Okay, either upward movement or the downward movement. Why the demand curve will be shifted? That is due to the change in other things, other determinants like change in income, changes in what taste and preference of the consumer, or the changes in price of a substitute goods. Okay, due to that the demand curve will be shifted to either left side or the right side. When the demand curve shifted to left side, that is when income is low, then demand also low. At that time that will be shifted to left side. When the demand curve will be shifted to right side, that is when income is more, then demand also more, automatically it will shifted to rightward. So this is what the concept of what the movement as well as shift of a demand curve. Okay students, this is for 6 marks question. You need to practice thoroughly. Okay, and in the next episode we will continue further more important questions. Until that, please practice these questions. Thank you.